Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to reset the oil life on your Volkswagen Atlas. First, turn on your vehicle's ignition without starting the engine. Make sure your Atlas is in park and all doors are securely closed. Next, find the OK button on your steering wheel, usually on the right side. This button will be crucial for navigating the menu and confirming your selections. We'll use it to access the service menu. Now that your ignition is on, press the OK button on your steering wheel. This action will bring up the main menu on your instrument cluster display. Use the up and down arrow buttons, also located on your steering wheel, to scroll through the available options. Navigate until you find the Service menu item. Once Service is highlighted, press the OK button one more time to select it and proceed to the next step. Within the Service menu, you'll see several options. Use your arrow buttons again to scroll down until you locate Oil Change or Oil Life Reset. The exact wording might vary slightly depending on your Atlas model. Once you've highlighted the correct option, press the OK button to initiate the reset. Your display should then show a confirmation message, indicating that the oil life has been successfully reset. This is a vital step to ensure accurate maintenance tracking. After confirming the reset, turn off your vehicle's ignition completely. This step is important to ensure the new oil life setting is saved properly. Then, restart your engine and check the instrument cluster display to verify that the oil life indicator now shows 100% or the appropriate new interval. You've successfully reset your oil life. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.